Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Noble Omoniyi here again. We are in 2022. I'm so happy and so pumped and excited for this year. This year I'm going to be dishing out more content, so just watch out. To my faithful subscribers, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, try and click on the subscribe button below and also click on the notification icon to get notified when I post a new video. Today, from my outfit, I'm sure you will know what I'm trying to do today. I will be doing Yoruba names and their meanings part 4. And thank you guys for all your comments in the previous episodes. They've been welcoming and I've been able to add more names to the suggestions that you've given. So let me give you a recap on the things that we've done so far in the previous episodes to refresh your memories about Yoruba names and meaning. I talked about the general proverb which says Ile lanwo katoso omoloruko. That means we look at the circumstances surrounding the birth of a child before we can name a child. So, and I talked about the fact that there are some things that should always come to your mind when Yorubas are naming people. I talked about the fact that if you see names like Oluwa, that means God. If you see names like Jesus, that means Jesus. If you see things like Ade, that means crown, or the person was born into a royal family. If you see things like Ola, that means wealth. So, and so forth. There are some key words that you will always find in certain names, apart from names that they call Oruko Amutorowa, things like Taiwo, Kende, Ido, those are names that have already been given, or typical traditional name like Akoni and all those. I'm going to be starting with the comments from my previous episodes. People made a lot of suggestions of some names that I should make mention of. Then I'm going to be starting with that before I go to the new names I have for you today. I'm sure you're excited. Are you ready? Okay, so the first comment I'll be looking at here is the one from Khadija Richmond. She says, Afolabi, wonderful video. Hi Khadija, thank you so much for the wonderful comment. And she says Afolabi means born with wealth. The child born with wealth. Afolabi, I told you already, when you have anything that has to do with Ola, means wealth. Afolabi, born with wealth. Then she mentioned another name as well. She said Titilayo. Titilayo means eternal happiness. Titilayo, eternal happiness. Then she mentioned Goriola. Goriola is actually a short form for Omo Goriola. So that's the full way you pronounce it. Omo Goriola. Omo Goriola means child climbed on top of wealth. So that means the child that basically was like an icing on their cake of wealth. Then last name here is Olagoke. Olagoke basically means wealth ascends a hill. Then we have another comment from Nimi Gray. Well done, sir. Can you help me with the meaning of these names? Oluwatimileni, Jesubomi, Angela Oluwa, Olalowa Kitson. Hi Nimi. So I'm going to be mentioning the names that were suggested. So let me start with Jesubomi. Jesubomi basically means Jesus heard my voice. Or you can even say Oluwagbomi, the Lord heard my voice. Then after that, the other name that was suggested is Angela Oluwa. Angela Oluwa basically means we are enjoying the wealth of God. Angela Oluwa, we are enjoying the wealth of God. Then we have another name, Olaoluwa Kitson. Olaoluwa Kitson basically means the wealth of God is inexhaustible. Then we have some other comments from Ogunwole Fumilola. Hi Fumilola Ogunwole. She said I translated the name Fewashola. There's another person that says Iretiola here. So for Fewashola means used beauty as well. Then we have Aladigbola. Aladigbola means the one with the crown carries wealth. We have Adebusayo. Adebusayo means the crown added to joy. Iretiola. Iretiola means anticipation of wealth. Oluwaremilekun, the Lord stopped my grief. Siju Ola, that means open the eyes of wealth. Oluwadamilotun, the Lord has created me anew. Adeshayo, royalty makes joy. Ikeoluwa means someone that is under the care of God. Ikeoluwa, someone that is under the care of God. Olorunfemi. Olorunfemi basically means God loves me. I told you already. Olorunfemi basically means God loves me. I told you already that if you have anything that has Olorun Oluwa, that means God. So Olorunfemi means God loves me. Oluwatoba, God is a worthy king. Olumurewa, the Lord brought goodness. Tiaraoluwa, from the body of God. Araoluwa. Araoluwa means the Lord's wonder. Oluwabukola, the Lord added to wealth. Oluwabusola. So basically Oluwabusola and Oluwabukola, they sound alike. Oluwabusola also means the Lord added to wealth. So Oluwabukola, the Lord added to wealth. Oluwabusola, the Lord added to wealth. Oluwabamike. Bamike means God pampers him or her for me. Then we have Modupe. Modupe means I am thankful. Oladimeji, that means double wealth, or wealth has become double. Adebisi, the crown or royalty produced more. Olaoluwa Kiitson, the wealth of God is inexhaustible. Teniolua, the person of God. Adura Migba, my prayer has been answered. Adura Agbemi, prayer favors me. Adeoba means the king's crown, as Oba is king and Ade is crown. So the king's crown, Ade Oba. Adeloye, the crown has honor. Abeni, the one we beg to have. Moradeke, I have found a crown to pamper. Aderibigbe, the crown finds a place to live. Ayolua, the joy of the Lord. Then we have Ayola. From Ayo, you would have noticed something like a consistency. Ayo means joy. So Ayo, Ola means the joy of wealth. I told you Ayo means joy, and Ola, from what I've been telling you, means wealth. So the joy of wealth. Ayoka, one who causes joy all around. Tejumolua. Tejumolua means focus on God. Oluwakorede. Oluwakorede means the Lord has brought goodness. Or we can also say Akorede. Akorede basically means one who brings goodness or blessings. Olubenga, the Lord lifted me high or up. Olajumoke, one who wealth unites to pamper. Adejumoke, one who crown unites to pamper. Motunrayo, I have once again seen joy. Motunrola, I have once again seen wealth. Then we have Aramide. Aramide means my family or companion has come. Then we have Olamide. Olamide means my wealth has come. Ademide. Ademide means my crown has arrived. So our last name here is Olumide. Olumide means my God has come. Olumide is shortened from Oluwamide. So Olumide, my God has come. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. You are the real G. I am going to be posting these names in the community section, so you can always check them out, to screenshot them and post. If you can find your name there, then you can post on your statuses, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, and social media platform. So don't forget, if I have not mentioned any other name, or if you feel like you have a different meaning to a particular name, try and comment in this comment section. I'm waiting to see your comments and your responses as well. And if you want me to translate more Yoruba names that you've heard that you don't know yet, please kindly comment them in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platform as well at Noble Omoniyi. Just check it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms as well. Till I see you next time. Bye.